So life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you respond. That means in life, things won't always go your way, but that does not mean that you can't go forward. It may not go your way, but that does not mean that you can't go forward. You have to go forward with courage and discipline. You have to go forward with determination. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how I respond to it. I'm going forward with courage. I'm going forward with determination. I'm going forward with resilience. I am going to move forward even though this thing is trying to push me back. I control the 90%. Things will happen to you. Mistakes will come up, challenges will arise, difficulties will rear its ugly head. But just because life gets ugly doesn't mean that I have to get ugly. When life gets ugly, I get a better understanding that I'm gonna fight through this adversity and get to my destiny. When bad things happen, it's literally trying to shut you down from being able to help thousands of people in the future. So get out of complaining and get into contributing. Contribute to the solution. If something goes wrong, 10%, how can I make this situation better for myself? And how can I respond to this so that other people can benefit from it? Stop quitting. Keep fighting. Keep pushing. Keep moving. Stay resilient. Stay driven. And never back down. Don't run from a challenge ever. Don't ever run from a challenge.